Hey there, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Miah.
And we're back again to talk about some move-in tips and tricks. Today we're going to talk about some of the stresses and also the funs that come with moving in and coming to a new community. So, starting off, move-in's stressful and it's anxious, and we recognize that, and here in residence life, we're trying to make that process as smooth and efficient and unstressful as possible. What's really important is you working with us to make sure that that happens, so signing up for your move-in times on time, working with your roommates to coordinate move in and when you're moving in, and also just making sure you label your boxes and your bins so that you don't lose anything and we don't have to worry about you losing things.
Yeah. And of course, we have so many resources here for you guys to utilize. So if there's moments where you're stressed out about a final exam or just having a hard time adjusting to campus life, we have tons of resources that you can use that are free of charge. So you can use the counseling center. We also have the Freeman Workout Center where you can get your gym on and just have things to do after classes. And of course, we have just tons of organizations that you can use and just see what fits you best.
One of the first ways you're going to find you're going to be getting involved on campus is through your orientation groups again during Welcome Week. You'll be going through a series of workshops and presentations and little engagement group activities where you're going to be able to meet some more of your peers and really get into the flow of campus before all of the other upperclassmen get here.
Yeah. And with that, me and Andrew both share similar experiences with moving in. It can be a very scary and stressful time, especially moving away from your family for the first time and having that sense of independence. So we want you guys to remember that you're not alone and that everybody here moving in is going to experience very similar emotions. But just know that here at Res Life, our RAs and are also fellows here to help you stay encouraged and just keep going.
Yeah. Even as an RA, all 4 years of my move-in, I was stressed like nobody else. I would get here and I'd be like, oh, am I even moving into the right room? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. But at the end of the day, my peers, my supervisors, my friends, they were there to help, and my family as well.
As a transfer student, of course, I had that prior college experience, but I still was very anxious of moving into campus. Some of those things that I struggled with was just realizing that I'm going to be on my own for the first time. I had tears and I was just really anxious to see what my life would be like living on my own. But one of the main resources that I utilized was actually just my RA and also utilizing the counseling center here at CNU. So that way I wouldn't feel overwhelmed moving in. We know that you're not alone and we know that things can be very stressful and scary, but just utilize those resources and ask for help. That's very important here as well.
Mm-hmm. In order to make your process the best, we really encourage you to go to the Res Life website to look at all of those helpful resources that we've laid out and make sure you sign up for your move-in time. That is one of the quickest ways to eliminate some of that early stress for you and for your parents, is to start coordinating that as early as you can and make sure that everybody is as available as they thought they'd be for move-in. I highly recommend starting your move-in planning as soon as you can. Work with your parents and your family and friends to plan that date as soon as you can and sign up for that date and time as soon as possible. It is the quickest way to eliminate all of that early stress, and it's the quickest way for us to ensure that you get here and start making campus feel like campus again.
Yeah, we're so excited to see you. We're so excited for our first years and our returns to come back to campus, and we'll see you soon.
Yeah, we'll be seeing you soon.
Yes.